Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to switch to the new email builder in Mailchimp. This is mailchimp.com, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password. Once you're inside your Mailchimp account, just click on your profile icon from this corner and go to Account and Billing. Click on Settings and select Details. Scroll down a little bit, and below the default email builder, click on the new builder, then save your changes. Now let's try to create a new regular email, for example. Let's go directly to the design email step. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Let's edit this template, for example. And this is how to access to the new email builder in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.